In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all emails read in Outlook. If your inbox badge is out of control and you just want a clean slate without deleting anything, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. You only need a web browser and your Outlook account. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. This is just an easy way to get to the correct site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search results, click the official Outlook website. It should take you to the Outlook web app at outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your mailbox. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your mail view. Next, move to your inbox. You'll find your folders on the left side panel. Click Inbox to make sure you're looking at the main list of messages. If you use Focused Inbox, you'll see two tabs above your messages: Focused and Other. The view you're currently in matters for what gets marked, so keep that in mind as we move to the next action. Now look toward the top of your message list, above the emails. You should see a toolbar with options like New Mail, Sweep, and more. Find the option that says Mark All as Read and click it. If you don't see it right away, try expanding your window or clicking the three-dot More Options button on the toolbar. The command is often tucked there on smaller screens. When you click Mark All as Read, Outlook will instantly mark every visible message in your inbox as read. In some layouts, you may see a brief confirmation prompt. Just confirm if asked. Nothing is deleted or archived. Your emails simply lose the unread highlight, so your inbox count drops to 0. If you're using Focused Inbox, remember that the action applies to the tab you're on. After marking everything in Focused as read, switch to the Other tab and repeat the click if you want everything there marked as well. Also, keep an eye out for an undo prompt at the bottom of the screen right after you perform the action. If you changed your mind, you can quickly reverse it. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. This command affects the folder you're viewing. So if you have unread emails in other folders, open that folder and use the same Mark All as Read button there. And if your list is filtered in a special way, clear filters so all messages you expect are included. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened the website, went to your inbox, and clicked Mark All as Read. Enjoy the tidy inbox.